Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to upload Instagram Reels from laptop. We start by opening Instagram in our browser and log in. After that, we will click on the Create option and then click on Post. Next, we will click on Select from Computer, and after that, we will choose the video that will be the reel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We can adjust the aspect ratio with the bottom icon. After that, click on Next, and we can choose the cover photo in addition to being able to crop the video or even remove the sound. Continue the process with Next. Finally, you can add information to the reel, such as the title or location. We will finish by clicking on Share, and then we will be able to see our published reel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.